Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change refresh rate on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. Now, if you're using your iPhone and you want to enable 120Hz for the refresh or frame rate so that everything runs a bit more smoothly and clearly, I'll show you how to do that. Now, the first thing to note is that not every iPhone has access to change refresh rate option. You will find this feature on iPhone 13 Pro Max or above. So if you have one of those, you can enable it just by hopping into your settings. Here, you're going to tap on Accessibility right under General, and then right under Display and Text Size, tap on Motion. Now in here, at the very bottom, it says Limit Frame Rate. It states, set the max frame rate to display 60 frames per second or 60 Hz. All you need to do is toggle this off, and it will go back to the native 120 Hz or frames per second on your iPhone. Or you can turn it on to limit your frame rate to 60 FPS. But if you turn it off, you'll be able to see all of the action, motion, and changes on your iPhone running a lot more smoothly. So that's basically how you can change refresh rate on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.